ko New Town say school bi o ho a under tree no be catch them ye jimi for pa I started me music na a small boy I started music when I was 11 and I started music me started me to no Ewo Kristo Asafo Church da me na edimfi ahe 1981 na edimfi ahe da wona okra kuma ntem kwa sasem na ya mutenta radio do na TV do kekan afede my radio amamo amede me nkwa dodo ame me bobra etete memma ma wo 6 me ntire memba nwo ma me kan kiro me fa memma emfa ba bia ma me kan kiro nne me bobra me wo mma a me hwe wo nti mo bobra eti hwe ni ye da mkwa sasem na abekan mese ababio na mo say safida ebenyin ti da mi a ye ready amede me waje ntokwa ho ma me kan kiro because me a New Town boy ma me kan kiro nne me tina alajo na me tina kotoba bi alajo na me ko school New Town was me a New Town boy when I go school na mo school under tree no New Town baba be kirem e won da me sam na keka kwase sam na keka amamu an enne was asam tren nsa na wo chiam wa asam na tren nsa nti na lucky mensa wa from abeku wo ya abeku fake I mean abeku manka samini enne me chia wa asam na atren nsa me chia na mum ye ready there baba bo trade biscan enum na cotton wa American oya Maryland na ase ebu ami ma me cotton come back in kwa ofa do ye you remember a quite offered a record musician. Some musician here, no bra, and I better now DJ. Now better on I can't handle, I won't hear or got a boy. Oh, mammy, on ye. I because I me, Lucky Mess and Kaonia, or Bedromo, Juro Quaquajibu, Kaonia, Tewa, Honla, Bebafia account to Hammy. Louis K, I am a producer who come back. What's me miss out? Say a cotton, Maryland behind the bra. Never account me. Onda ukronfu we ufu nyama na ye na esiwo nu marekeka aboa etina radio station so do na etwitwa ekọ radio station bia DJ bia oho bia botwitwa na asafa na asafa de yenyima ade de yenyim station bia bako bia pede koyo oga oho ekọ PCF OKFM ekọ kotwitwa despite group of company ekọ twitwa DJs na obebre won ase na epede be yoga aboa ye na yenyim da kwame amo na yin kwame amo na ya mo betra radio do dim kwasesem keka manfo wonsam emre wo te ba na wo bufu no radio do ye na ye hu awo pedo bia kan wasam ye hwana ehun wonsan ma esi ma yen anto abasa abeku santa ya na ma to wonsa na konkwada ma me metin wo se no amo e ma da etum enanto etum ato wonsa foolish boy ye 8 me from boy po because me from boy kra ma amo eyi kakra o da me from 8 ye 8 inye yimpa foolish boy say ready a lucky men sam na make sam ye ready there me ye bokon tokwa be bia be hie bia ye bokon everywhere hey pam le on fe nko president nim na mu hu ho moto ataro bobrom 100 times bokon 1 million mama ntokwa afon say ma macho de watete mo New Town ame mi akra akubolo at the age of 14 15 na ma mehwa mo besi na me ye kase say yim obi na sa ya ye din music na e ba maybe hate me started that make hit 2001 agoji baby da remember na ma atena offend the music my about 3-4 albums my first album 1993 menye pa solo chaselo menye dam mo abredu DJs ni bio me started da me yandom na pa kwesi bu na yeso amanu na offend Samson ko epunto mu baba Adam Sadiq mu wona na yetua payola yede mo yin payola da me na me yetua na yetua payola 2 CDs 1 month obo onum ni hwie 1 month na nko renew a all there onum woja ebo da me na beku santana na di mfi ahe da be na ba radio dwumam ya na mo free there wono ke kuma ante mo free there me ba music just recently 2000 ya ho mo abo etutu mu nyim me ya old school musician me started singing e wo Kristo Asafo go to Central Region Kosuedu na agrambo kan ko bi samase e wo ho senyima man to nyum nya da mo so ya na mo to nyum keko e me ma bro e ma na cassette isi me sado tape isi me sado cassette san mo ho a me de na the whole Ghana be bia ho amanko Tachima nkransa obuase aguna so edu achim so edu mankasim chashama ko bi samaso ashama ana odoko kantamanto cassette tape semesado ana meton cassette nande o foolish boy to do da be na ba music da be na ba radio duma kwa da be na ebem na abaka de Lucky Mensa oye anko school of course iya hwana school no ma mimi so asem what the blofo what they call heaven. Na say the man the whole world obi anko apart from British for pen anko boko heaven blofo what they call heaven catch them na me te blofo me ya broyin onye o ma me ya broyin Lucky Mensa me ya broyin British fo one abrofo ne ye audio wode ko heaven a esenka Ghana the whole world obi an ko heaven ka British fo pe no ko heaven abrofo ne tene mu ohen won sa akonkon anto abasa abeku anto abasa ya na ma to nsa tentene won sa na akonkon da metentene ma mo obi anyim wo Ghana ho radio stations no obi anyim MCC no obi anyim da ye greedy bastard abeku Santana ye greedy ye foolish boy me san ma babium na mom ye ready amede mastermind there say ason wafufa efufa lucky men samre bi ana afraid that sin nenum nti de wo safufa efemenum a enya se bia mo anka mesen on fifiri stereo ba mede matabron mede besisi wo sa make kaw mehu na make kaw bokon to kwa bia ebi mba Ghana hanya to kwa ye de radio dem ma me ye wo yo mede physically be bia me hia obi aye bokon hey yimpemu ehenefo ye bokon ebroma mesi ababiu sei ma metro de me yakuboro akra ha sei ma bisa odi ya bisa ma se ma ball echi the whole akra be bia ekuboro a footballer like me be bia ihu ammo ball be bia ihu zongo be bia ihu ammo ball wo na o foolish what do e bank ran po dabe na baka chem na me ko school wo under tree foolish boy o ma me onye masi ababiu tape we amano Friday yeah twemu and that 3 days abeku Santana wo betina radio so okay FM ebobo memendum old school come back and say wo e na wo bo ame otweafo wanu tutu fom ate da wo na ebu am come back enyim kwa wo fado wo twro onyom enyim kwa wo fado wo produce musician enyim nyansa fo wanu tutu fom da masam na kan ese kokoton memendum wo Maryland America awo na buam na koton da memendum ofuyo Julojibo iya kromfo abeku Santana because wakoton memendum na so wan me account there and na me ka kire wo me ko hu me lawyer also be account minimum ho hwe say san wo be fa enka your friend say and me to say come back old school no ekoton wo Maryland and one fast can ma me producer West K Buadu because who can say asem we Friday here etwamu and na Saturday me producer na frame me fi UK who can am for frame me e de me to your friend say radio so ma metie nsema na wo keka na wo bo old school come back and so wo na wo koton ye wo bo ame ekoton nyu America ofunyo Julojibo abeku Santana mimi nke wa chi Julojibo hwe e de wo sa famenum emre bia etwomukọ na afraid there is CBA in ho nti like men sa abeku me manka wo na mbom nda me ka kiro wo from abeku nti na me ka fantam and me de mata brew so wo ka tabrew aye fantam ti ase me de be kaw me hu na mo ye ready there's a dem a ame me ni nkwa dudo me yu be hia one on one be bia be hia bia ye bokko ma me ka kiro nne otokwa boforo wo wi ase metro de wotetem wo Accra New Town se kai there 2011 unkwasi asem a na edidi wo radio do e better radio do edidi matam then me year because school under 3 when me go school he a stupid boy me from not even call you a boy abeku year 8 in year even a human being year 8 it's a to me catch them the akoton me ndom na face cam amre me there and you ready both share the miscam ofunyo se koton me cassette me CD e wo Maryland there and you ready you mo kwa ofado come back ofado odeba out the whole Ghana DJ bia you ho wanje payola old school apart from Kwame Sefakai mankasa me diska koma na okache me lucky enum no yedew enti mobo wanje me capre up to date Kwame Sefakai oboda me nyoman only bo come back na de bo ho ho won na koton enum no o na boam ya boa se ima me kan tro you ready
2005 I produced and sold the song the CD right in America to Tropical Vibes Entertainment and this artist got money from me. Between 2006, 2007, and 2008, that is where I made money from artists. Now me too quiet brochiripa. This time no now the ama local producers no make a cassette. Now me the kwa brochiri ma on CD right. I gave Lucky Mensa money in 2005, 2006. And this is the song.
Come back to me, baby. Come back to me. Come back to me.
Xylophone FM. Xylophone FM. The heartbeat of Accra. Heartbeat of Accra. Xylophone FM. Lock it in.
Xylophone FM. Xylophone FM. Xylophone FM. Xylophone FM.
Khan. So Khan brought me the song to sell the CD right. And I'm a call a year Maryland. And I'm a who tropical vibes. And I'm a ton and you way a man. And I OJ a master copy no. And we try CD. Ewa bruchi. First in Ghana for Moya Newman and you know Ghana higher and then kwa bruchi. You movie and your ton CD right now.
Come back to me, baby, come.